All right, guys, I just got the Bixpy. Open it up. Just looking at the quick start guide here. You basically have three options to attach it to your Pro Angler. You have the Mirage Drive one that will drop down in the cassette and replace your normal pedals, right? You have the power pole adapter for the back. And then you have the Pro Angler adapter set, which is what I went with because right now the power pole adapter is unavailable. The panel that it attaches to anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and see about installing this and see how quickly we get this done. The adapter first. Both pulling that off. Set the battery down. Get out of the way. So in that adapter kit, basically get two poles. The one is going to a boot plate with a ram ball on, which is going to take the place of this panel here. This will clamp on that ram ball, and essentially you'll mount it right back here. Looks pretty straightforward. Assuming we have to reuse the screws on here. Keep them in there just in case. My ultimate goal will be to drill a couple holes in here and be able to use the rudder control to steer with this as well. No longer need this. Alright, let's just take a look in here. That shouldn't be too bad. Alright. Yeah, we would just mount it the same way. That should be super easy. I like that. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be definitely down the road getting that on. So we'll put this plate on. Super simple, just reverse your steps. That'll be a test for another day. Seems good enough. I don't want to necessarily crack that. Okay. Instruction manual here, got that on. We're gonna put this ram ball one on here, right? Okay, so I need my screwdriver back. Slightly unscrew this. quite. I'll go a little bit more. Oops, got my nut. Oh, we might have to take them all the way out, huh? No big deal. Yep, there we go. Standard ram ball, and this is just a pressure clamp here. Takes longer to line this up than to actually install it. What they should have done is made a nice easy disconnect right here. Oh, they do have a pin there. Okay, that'd be nice. That way you can easily just take it off whenever you get somewhere, so you don't have to worry about someone stealing it. Got a pin you can pull right out here, it looks like. Very nice. I was kind of worried about that. This clamp down. I guess you could probably use a power drill, but you really don't want to tighten this down and crack something. Crisscross it here. Do it a little bit at a time. Okay. Alright. Next step. You have this clamp. One of them goes on the H bar and one of them goes on the other bar. I don't know which one goes where, if they're the same. Looks like they might be the same. Yep. Uh-oh. All right. So. Put one on the H bar here. That's really easier if I put it outwards. Pretty simple. We'll move. Well, have to loosen it up and turn it. Is that what we got to do? facing the same direction. There's an Allen head there, looks like. Oh, and of course they don't give you the right size. Well, that's nice of them. Okay. Yeah. The right size one's not in there. So we're going to have to get some adjustment. Alright. Let's see what size. There we go. Yep, alright. Turn this. There we go. Set that on there. Get it nice and centered. Flip this on over. I wonder if you want it up that high. Honestly, on the Pro Angler, does it need to be that high? It sits up pretty high, I think, right? Maybe not. We'll give it a shot. Okay. I'm just going to do finger tight for right now. That way I can move it around as we see fit, right? Alright, that's good and snug. Got the other Allen screws here. Got some paracord, looks like, to pull up the Bixpy. All right. So, didn't take too long to get that on. It's not all snug down yet, but pretty close. Just want to kind of see where this ends up at. Take this off. There we go. All right. Before I put it in the water, we put some grease on here. But I'm just kind of dry fitting right now. Oh, that's super easy. Okay. So does that stay out of the way like that? Okay. And we want to pull it back up in there, right? Okay, we pull this blue tab forward and slide her on in. Okay, blue tab's in. Pull this down. Okay, snapped on in. You guys didn't get that at all, did you? So there it is, Bixpy. I can connect to steer up here eventually, or the way I plan is to connect into the rudder here. Can't wait to get this all snugged down. Get this out on the water tomorrow or Sunday, hopefully.